going? How you doing, little baby? Hey. Yeah. How you doing? Good morning. What do you see up there? Didn't have some breakfast? Do you want to try some of this? Steele has been a very hungry boy this morning. He's eaten like... Well, it's not really a good example, because I had some and Rory had some. He's eaten a lot. He's eaten like 5 or 6 times as much as Rory ate, without exaggeration. And maybe more than I had. I don't know, I wanted to save some for Mom, so I didn't eat till I was like full. He's going to town. Yum. Yum, is that so tasty to you? Baby nibbles are the only kind of food eating sounds that I can stand. What do you want? I'm eating right now. Alright, Grammy's off today. Papa T is also here, so they're gonna watch Steele and Rory for a little bit while Kayla and I go for a little paddle. That means kayak. But for now, they're gonna go bike ride. What kitties? Gonna go on the road? Perfect. Let's teach her to play on the road. She was like, I don't know about that. She's just gonna walk her bike. Okay. Oh, she wants to get on it like Daddy does. What a cutie. I love her. Alright, Rory is gone to lunch with Mammy. I was gonna say Mama, but it's not Mama, it's Grammy. Kayla and I are headed out to the lake to paddle. And it's actually not as cold out as I thought it was. Seeing the sun? Not bad at all. I was looking up the place where we're going, and it is state game land, so I can't drone there. So we're just gonna have to phone vlog the day. Here we go. I think we've come to an impasse. Are you coming or no? I can get under this. I can't see if you're paddling to me or not. We can totes do this. You just lay it real flat.
Babe, I don't want to get hurt and muddy and stuck.
I don't want to go on a mediocre adventure.
Stuck under that log.
I mean, it's doable. What? What do you mean I'm not close? Yeah, see? Totally doable. You coming or not? Could have made that. Kayla brought her lemon trees.
Turn yellow and it'll just shrivel up because
It was a lime.
you're alive.
Brought the plants in. It does say Meyer lemon on it. Doesn't mean that they know what they're talking about, I suppose. I mean, you could just pick it and see what happens. It's fun. Just had good news. The loan is approved. Huh. Whew. Finally. Alright. They're sending me paperwork for next steps. So to take care of that. Yeah, Rory's super cute. Reading books with Grammy. I think we're still going to make her do quiet time, probably, so I can get some more work done. Or Kayla can get some stuff in. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Still sleeping goodly, though. Goodly? Quietly? Nicely? Still sleeping? Yeah. You smelling a bubby?
This is lavender. It smells nice.
Back from our very not fire, and Rory informed me this is her game where she steps on the berries. Okay. Keep coming, let's go on inside. Let's go. Let's go. You're silly. It is just about bedtime, so we're going to go to bed and brush our teeth, do all those things. Tomorrow...
But not bedtime yet.
Not quite yet, no. Tomorrow, Papa T doesn't get home until like 4, so we're kind of just being super quiet and leaving as fast as we can in the morning so we don't wake him up. Heading to Harvest Fest, bright and early. We'll see you then. Good night. What, Bubby? What are you saying? Oh, bring back the cute Bubby. Goodbye, Bubby!